Hi there, my name is Barbara Fernandez. I'm a bilingual speech and language pathologist, and I was asked to record a video on the use of apps for articulation that would go on the next issue of the Caslpa newsletter. I hope I pronounced that correctly. I've been working very hard. To do that, I'm gonna show you guys the screen of my iPad on the computer. I'm gonna demonstrate one of the applications called Articulated that can be used for practicing articulation using the iPad. The applications for articulation, they all have the same general concept. They try to organize all the sounds and provide the words based on position of the word and based on phonemes. To give you guys a better idea, I'm going to show the screen on my iPad and let's take a look at it. So this is the screen of the iPad. As soon as you load Articulated, basic idea is you select the name of the student. I created a student called Caslpa just for the purpose of this video. And then I click OK. Now I have the option of selecting phonemes, phonological processes, or mode of articulation. I'm just going to do phonemes. Now you get to choose which phoneme you're going to work on. In this case, all of the phonemes in English are organized phonetically. So you have the phonetic alphabet here, and I'm going to choose that the student is going to work on S. Then I click OK. I click on the beginning of the word in the initial position, then I click OK. And now I have target words that have the S in the initial position. If I click these two buttons here, it indicates whether the student pronounced it correctly or not. And then we go to the next image. So with Articulated, you can record the voice of the student pressing this record button, and then you can play back. You can touch on the image. Seat. And you can hear an appropriate production of the word seat. You can also take notes. So this is the basic concept of vast majority of the apps for articulation. Now once you're done, in this case Articulated, you click done, then you see here's the student that I called Caslpa. You click on it, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit, or at least try to zoom in. And you can see here we have an overall accuracy of 67%, with the target phoneme being the S in the initial position 67. We only attempted 3 words. Now if we click on the question mark, we have the words that were produced correctly and the words that were missed. If we go back, you click here on the recording, you could play back any recordings that you have for that student. But you can also see if you wrote any notes, it would be right here. But overall, you can just email all these results and click OK, and you could even attach the recordings. And here you have an email format with the tablet, phonemes at 67% in the beginning of the word, and then you just press send. This will be very helpful if you're sharing with a parent or if you're just printing this for your records for tracking data for that specific student. That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would like to thank Caslpa for the opportunity for participating in the spring newsletter. Thank you very much. Bye.